Okay. Ulit talaga yun. This is from Nirvana. It's all apologies. Where should I be? All apologies. What else could I say? Everyone is gay. What else could I write? I remember right. What else should I be? All apologies. In the sun, I feel this one. In the sun, married, married, yeah, yeah, yeah. I was naive, easily abused, my mind is absorbed. Everything's my fault. I take all the blame. I receive from Jane, suffer this burn, talking on the ashes of her enemies. In the sun, I feel this warm. In the sun, buried, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Is all we have. All alone is all we have. All alone is all we have. That was from Nirvana. Wait. Nahulog yung headset. Parang wala akong na. Pasensya na doon sa mga nasa Facebook. Hindi ko nababasa yung comments niya. Nirvana tayo ulit. Ano ba yung sa Nirvana? Wait, naka-down din tayo. This is Calm As You Are, Nirvana. Come as you were, who's I want you to be, as as a friend, as a friend, as an old enemy. Take your time, hurry up, the choice is yours. Don't be late, take a rest, as a friend, as an old memory. Memory, memory. Come rising back, something leads as I want you to be, as a friend, as a friend, as an old memory. Memory, memory, memory. And I swear that I don't ever again. No, I don't ever again. No, I don't ever again. No, I don't ever again. Memory, no, I don't ever again. 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 Hello to Shamo, to Joey, to Herpes, mga nasa session. Sa Facebook, hindi mo basa yung ano sa Facebook. Hindi naka-open yung Facebook. Kasi automatic siyang nag-add. Tawag din. Pag nag-live ako sa StreamYard, automatic na naka-live din sa StreamYard sa Facebook. 7:18. Ano ba ang kanta ulit? The Beatles? Tapos na yung Beatles mania. Ano bang ganda? Last four song. Ang buhay mo'y sirang-sira. Gulong-gulo ang isip mo. Di alam kung saan ka pupunta. Lang tayo, YouTube. Oh, it's a quiet New Year's Day. Oh, it's quiet on New Year's Day. A world in white gets underway. I want to be with you night and day. Nothing changes on New Year's Day. Now we'll be with you again. Now with you again. Under a blood red sky, a crowd is gathered, black and white. Arms and flying the chosen few. Newspapers say it's true, and we can break it through. So the truth is one. Now we'll beat it again. Now we'll beat it again.
YouTube, New Year's Day. Let's do song. Some destination would get comments. Why? This is one by YouTube. YouTube ulit.
It is getting better. Or do you feel the same? Will it make it easy on you now? You got someone to blame. You say, one love, one life, where there's one need. In tonight, one love, we got to share it. Leaves you, baby, if you don't care for it. It might disappoint you. Live about days in your mouth. You act like never had love. You want to go without. Oh, it's too late tonight to drag the miles out into the light. We're one, but we're not the same. We get to carry each other, carry each other. Whoa. Are we coming for forgiveness? Are we coming to raise the dead? We coming to play Jesus. So the levers in your head. Did I ask too much more than a lot? You gave me nothing, now it's all I got. We're one, we're not the same. We'll carry each other and do it again. You say love is a temple. Love the higher low. Love is a temple. Love the higher low. You ask me to enter, but then you make me grow. And I keep holding on to what you got. And know it's so. One love, one blood, One line you got to do is you. One line, sister, brother, we get to carry each other, carry each other. Whoa. Did you hear me? No. Knocking at the door. Do you hear me call? Do you hear me smiling? Though you make me call. That was from YouTube. Kaya ka pala. Last 3 song or 2 song? Baka may gusto kayong kanta, pwedeng mag-request naman. Pag wala, ano ba? YouTube ulit? Ano yung daliri? Manhid ang mga daliri. Walang pakinanda, mandaliri. Oh. Next song. How did you know? Ano naman kaya tayo? Love song? Okay, love song. Sige. This is from Ron and Kitty. It's amazing how you can speak right through my heart. Without saying a word, you can light up the sun. Just me, I can never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face let me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you never leave me. The sounds of your hand says she gets me. Whenever I fall, you say it best when you say nothing at all. All day long I can hear people talking out loud, but when you hold me near, you drown up the ground. For some me they can never define what's been said between your heart and mine. The smile on your face let me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you never leave me. The size of your hand says you catch me whenever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. The smile on your face let me know that you There's the truth in your eyes saying you'd never leave me. The sense of your hand says you get me whenever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. Inadali, no? Hinahabol. Nakakain ko kasi book ko. Kaya minadali ko yung kanta. Ito, hello to Joey, to Samuel, to FS. Ano ba nanonood? Sana huwag niyo kalimutan i-press yung yung start sa part section ng session. Ano bang kanta? Last song? Last song. This is my last song for tonight. This is from Shaco, Galit. Minsa'y nagsasawa tayo dahil sa pang-aabuso. Tibok ng puso'y bumabagal, nawawalan ng pagmamahal. Pagmamahal. Minsa'y naiinis na rin, nababalang dapat sundin. Nabibigit na urukal, nawawalan ng pagmamahal. Pagmamahal. Galit ang siyang pumapalit sa damdamin natin ipit. Galit ang siyang pumapalit sa damdamin natin ipit. Minsa'y napapagod tayo, tapusin na ang buhay na to. Ginagawa tayong mahal, walang pagmamahal. Pagmamahal. Galit ang siyang pumapalit sa damdamin natin ipit. Galit ang siyang pumapalit sa damdamin natin ipit. Wala na akong pagmamahal, 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 wala na akong pagmamahal.
Kulang ang pag-ibig, kasabihan na nasa ngunit para sa... Takas tama, bye-bye na po. Bye-bye sa lahat. Ano lang yun? Sample lang yun. Bye-bye.